Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to register for a course on Coursera, step by step. If you're eager to expand your knowledge and skills, whether it's for career advancement or personal growth, Coursera is an excellent platform to explore. It offers a wide variety of courses across numerous fields. However, if you're new to Coursera, figuring out how to get started might seem a bit daunting. Don't worry, though. In this guide, we're going to walk you through the entire registration process on Coursera, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating your Coursera account. First, you'll want to open any web browser on your computer or even your mobile device. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser, just get online. Once you're there, head to the search bar, type in Coursera, and hit enter. You'll be presented with a list of search results. Here, it's important to look for the non-sponsored link that directs you straight to Coursera's official website. This ensures you're going to the right place. Once you've landed on the Coursera homepage, the next step is to locate the Join for Free button. It's usually quite prominent on the page, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Click on it, and this will redirect you to the registration page. Now, Coursera gives you a couple of options to create your account. You can either manually enter your full name, email address, and a password to set up your account, or you can choose a quicker route by signing up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. This latter option is pretty handy if you want to save some time and avoid the hassle of remembering yet another password. After you've chosen your preferred method of registration and completed the necessary steps, you'll be greeted with a welcome page. Here, Coursera aims to tailor your experience by asking a few initial questions. First up, they'll inquire about what brings you to their platform. You can choose from options like preparing for your first job, switching careers, or simply gaining new skills. This helps Coursera understand your goals and suggest courses that might be relevant to you. Once you've made your selection, click Next to move forward. In the following step, you'll encounter a search box. This is where you can type in your area of interest, be it data science, marketing, or any other subject that piques your curiosity. Type it in and click Next once more. Coursera will then ask about your current job status. If you're employed, you can search for your role and select it. If you're not currently working or prefer not to specify, you can simply skip this step. Following that, you'll be asked about your highest level of education. It's straightforward, just select the option that applies to you and continue by clicking Next. Finally, Coursera will inquire if you're interested in pursuing an online degree. They do offer accredited degree programs, with costs starting around $115,000, but this can vary based on the degree type and any financial aid you might qualify for. Select your response and click Next to finalize your registration. And there you have it. You've successfully registered for a Coursera account. You're now ready to explore the myriad of courses they offer and start learning something new today. That's it for this tutorial on how to register for a course on Coursera, step by step. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.